Hello, good day, good morning, good afternoon, good night. I don't know what it is, what time it is at your place. Today I'm gonna repot my sarracenias that I sowed about 1.5 years ago. Look what a bunch of plants I've got. What you need is a mixture of peat with perlite or vermiculite, composed of at least 50% perlite or vermiculite. Then you put you put that mixture in these little pots, and we're gonna plant 2 sarracenias in 1 pot. What you also need is rainwater, and that's it. If you have some tools like this, it can make it a lot of fun repotting. I bought this from, I think, Amazon for €4, $5, I don't know anymore. And the easy thing with this is you don't have to use your fingers. So you poke a little hole, and you do that with all those little pots. Doesn't have to be in the middle of the pot, because they don't grow that fast. Now, here are the plants. Let me zoom in. What you have to know is that these don't root very deep, so that's the difficult thing about repotting sarracenias at the start. The roots are very, very short, so be sure that the little root you get out of it, you put in the hole you made. So let's do this. You can use this, or I can use this, but I will use this because, as I said, the roots are not that deep. So I'm gonna poke it from here. Now I have 2. You can take them, in this case, by the stem, but I prefer to take the whole clump. And you see I have 1, 2, 3 plants. See, this is a small sarracenia. Now, my dibber. So, you see the root system, it's better evolved than I thought, so that's good. So I make it a little bit deeper. Slowly push it in. And that's it. So, second one. Slowly put it in. That's all. That's all that you have to do. I will be back. So, okay, the last. Pick the biggest ones that I have, because I have much too much seedlings. So, roots in. Cover them with a wet mixture of the peat and the perlite or vermiculite. That's your choice. I prefer vermiculite, but it's not always available. Last one, also a big one. Just let me see if it's 1. Yeah, okay, it's 1. In it goes, and that's it. So next thing you do, take your rainwater and slowly water them in this. Forgot one here, I see. First watering them all in. So that the soil really sticks around the root system. And when that's done, you fill up the tray with about, let us say, 1 to 2 centimeters of rainwater. So the soil keeps wet. Okay, that's it. Okay, the last one. Let me see if I have got a big one in here. Yes, I have. So the last one. In it goes. Cover the roots well. And that's it. Now, what you need to do with these carnivorous plants, and most of them need that, is direct sunlight. And they of course will grow better in heat. And these are not cold hardy, so in the wintertime they come in the greenhouse and they stay until the risk of freezing is done and they go out. Hope you enjoyed it for the first time. That's it. Just a quick look around in my greenhouse. These are great with names today again, Eddie. Good job, good job. So I have some plants like this. These are the Aegium russicum. This plant is about 1.5 months old. Grows very fast. Second year you have the flowers, flower spikes. These I also like, but I forgot the name. It's konjac at the end. I'm in the wine business, so I remember that it's konjac, but something with phallus, doesn't matter. It's the stinky flower, the big one. These are Anna trees, Paulownia tomentosa. These two I have are Alocasia maccormiza black stem, and I really thought I lost them in the beginning of the season. Probably too wet and too cold, and I see I have a bug problem, so I need to spray them with my organic pesticide. This one you all know, I think. It's Albizia. This is the Albizia calcora. So it's the one with the white flowers. Also cold hardy. Let me see what I have. This is a hybrid. Trachycarpus nanital crossed with Princeps hybrid. I only have one. This is also a special one. This is Copernicia by Leano. If I'm saying that correctly. Then I have one special hybrid. This is a Wagnerianus crossed with the real Princeps, the Stonegate Princeps. Then, what can I show you? A lot of peppers now in my greenhouse, so I can show you those. But I can show you also this plant. So this is also the Paulownia tomentosa, same age as the other ones, and look how big. this is. I think it's excluded the pot. It's about 40 centimeters high already. In a few months, I think it's about 3 months old. So my peppers. Here you see Jalapeno Mammoth. Then next to it, I can find the fruits. Let me zoom in. A little bit higher, yes. That's California Reaper. Here we have again a jalapeno. This is called La Bomba. Then behind that, it's Dragon's Breath. Don't know if it's the Moriga or the Stinger. Then those beautiful white ecru ones. That's IG Omnicolor. Then the Chinese 5-color. You see, it starts like this. Then the color changes to that and to that. That's too far. And you see, there is like orange, and there behind that one it started to get red. So that's a nice one for in your garden as well. And these are the rest, like Serrano, Perura, also the Scorpion, this one. I thought I lost that one, but I have found one. So this is the Trinidad Yellow Scorpion. I have only one here, and I one at my parents' greenhouse. And that's about it. So behind you can see my experiment. So it's now the 1st of August. So let us see if I can get those peppers growing and giving me fruits at the end of the year. And this is one Cordyline Australis Red. Red Australis. Okay, that's it. Bye.